Hello and welcome everyone to the commodity report for the 16th of September 2022, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So this week we have seen at the start of the week silver prices having their biggest one-day move since February of 2021. Platinum prices had a slingshot move higher, up 9%, but also later in the week, following on from Tuesday's CPI data, which came in hotter than expected, we've seen the dollar index have its biggest one-day breakout since March of 2020. And with that, we have then seen a pullback on commodities later in the week, again providing you massive volatility to take advantage of. In fact, on Thursday, we're taking the opportunity to scale out of more profits on platinum as it broke out to 1 month highs. We booked 840 points profit on platinum with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. We've also, later on in the session, we've seen gold prices break all the way down to 2-year lows, yet again providing fantastic opportunities if you've been patient and waiting for accumulation right at the lower end of the channels here at the swing lows. Massive opportunities to take advantage. So as you know, last week we were scaling out on more profits with gold. In fact, over the last couple of weeks here, in total, out of all the trades we've now banked, we've banked over 2,500 points profit with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club across gold, across silver, and also platinum here as well. So there's been multiple back-to-back opportunities to take advantage of. We've also seen oil prices later on in the week pull back over 5%, dropping back to $85 per barrel for WTI crude oil, all to be expected as we get into quad witching on Friday, which normally sees pressure to the downside on many markets, including stock markets, which are starting to break back down towards their swing lows. In fact, earlier on in the week, we saw the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq break down over 5% on the day of the CPI data, when we saw that slingshot move higher for the dollar index. So where does this leave us right now with respect to news items going into next week, and also for the remainder of this week as well? So going into next week, on Monday, we have a public holiday in the UK. This can often cause exaggerated moves in the market. Just look at the beginning of this week where we had China on a public holiday. On that day is where we had gold breaking out to 1735. Platinum broke out 8%, so we're up over 8% this month. And we've also seen silver have its biggest one-day move there since February of 2021. That all happened on Monday during a China public holiday. So again, this Monday, we have UK on their public holiday. This can create exaggerated moves in the market during thinner liquidity. And then going into next week, we have a major news item. That's Wednesday's FOMC statement. And of course, now the Federal Reserve is expected to be more aggressive with respect to rate hikes. They're expected to potentially go ahead with a 1% increase in rates. And then not only that, on Thursday, we have the Bank of England interest rate decision, which has been pushed out by a week due to the passing away of the Queen. That Bank of England interest rate decision will be next Thursday. That again is expected to be a major catalyst for explosive moves in the market, particularly of course for the pound, and the pound would then affect the US dollar index, which would then affect commodities as well. So again, there's been loads of opportunities to capitalize over this week. Everything from the silver and platinum breakouts, even natural gas, middle of the week had over an 800 point breakout to the upside. And we've also seen, of course, oil prices, they've dipped back down towards $85 per barrel. Now, right now, gold is trading at $1,660. It's broken all the way down towards the 2-year lows. Now, I wouldn't expect the price of gold to spend too long at the lower end of these channels. However, it was to be expected in the lead up to quad witching. You can often get this pressure to the downside, giving you opportunities to, of course, buy in at much better prices. If you've been patient here, waiting for opportunities to buy into gold at 2-year lows, where you had silver at the beginning of the week breaking out to 2-month highs and platinum on Thursday breaking out to 1-month highs, you've now got gold trading all the way at 2-year lows. If you've been waiting for opportunities to accumulate at lower prices, well, you've certainly got them right now in order to continue to take advantage of this constant volatility and opportunities with commodities. If you're not making money at the moment, you absolutely should be. These markets are presenting you with opportunities week to week. As I mentioned, we bank over 2,500 points profit now with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club over the last couple of weeks here. And it really is a case of using data, statistics, market intelligence, ditch those outdated technical analysis or gimmicky technical strategies. Make sure in the age of 2022, you are using data, statistics, market intelligence. Further align that with the key areas of liquidity, the capital flows in the market, the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, and of course, further align that with the narratives in the market, the geopolitics, the fundamentals, the macroeconomics, and how the hedge funds, money managers, banks, and institutions are positioned in the market in real time. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join a community of successful traders, learn the professional, research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to join our professional mentorship program.